What is happening is, for the past 3 years, we've had a triple dip. Triple dip, that is 3 year continuously La Nina, because of which Earth top surface might have cooled down, but the depths of the oceans have gotten heated up. Because of that, the radiation, heat budget radiation of the Earth, when Earth sends back the heat, bounces back the heat, that process has lowered down. Because of that, now we have a lot of heat temperature, and the rise in the temperature constantly since past 3 years, drastic rise. There's a drastic rise, not just small rise, drastic rise. Yes, and with that drastic rise, we have seen that such conditions, like this is the neutral condition. What happens is, in the Pacific side, the Pacific Walker circulation, this is the normal circulation where airs are going up and down, and this is the circulation goes. During El Nino conditions, what happens is, at the equator, this is the situation. Yes, this is the situation. The temperatures are reversed, pressures are reversed, and because of that, the cycle is reversed. Yes, because of that, what happens is, during El Nino, usually warm ocean surface temperature happens. During La Nina, cold ocean surface. What do we have? Cold ocean surface. First of all, this is the difference. In terms of global impact, as we see, because of El Nino, always the general average temperature rises, and in La Nina case, general average temperature lowers down. That has happened in India or around the world, because world has also experienced 3 year continuous La Nina as well. Yeah. Then we have the mechanism. In El Nino, trade winds weaken, warm water moves towards South America, and because of that, the rainfall structure changes. And same thing in La Nina, trade winds strengthen and warm water is pushed towards Asia when we have heavy rainfall in India. Heavy rainfall because of these winds. Yes? Yeah. So here low rainfall, here high rainfall. Alright? Exactly. In the recent trends, what has happened now? This was the general perception. Now in recent trends, what has changed is the fact that we don't have this structure anymore. Why? Because the current warming phase is causing actually temperature spikes on the earth. Yes? And the triple dip obviously has trapped energy and is now being released. Because of that, the temperature is suddenly rising. Oceans are actually slowly releasing that heat now. Read the question carefully. We have the question for you. Okay, the answers we have is D. Very nice. 1, 2 and 3.